Welcome to our first video. We're going to teach you how to do a waterfall French braid. You just grab a section of the front of the hair and put it into three as though you're doing a normal plait, and start it off. And then grab a section from the top. If we go this way, you could probably see better. Add it in, and instead of adding to that one, we give this one and add a section of hair here. Start's always the hardest. Once you get going, it gets easier. So add in, give the section there to hold on to, and then just grab a total new bit of hair from the front here and go over the top. I'm doing it slow in hope that you can pick up what it is we're doing. And don't pull too hard, otherwise it bunches up like that, you see. Get a new section in. Put across. Top strand in. Give the section. New strand in. Across. It's entirely up to you how far you want to go. I normally go to the top of the ear, and then you can obviously do it both sides or incorporate what you want into it. This will be our last one of joining in here, and then we'll show you the finished article. There you go. It's the last one, top of the ear. Now you can either put a bobble in it here and let it all just hang loose, or just do a normal plait, which is probably what I'm going to do here, just to give you an idea of the length of hair we're doing this on, but it works on all lengths of hair. Okay, we'll just put a bobble in there. Okay. So get the camera and then release those, and then you can see beautiful waterfall. Put your head down a bit, Libs. There you go. And see how it hangs. It looks really, really pretty. But as I say, you can put a bobble here and not have the plait, or have the plait, or do both sides. I hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.